let me start recording. Okay, it will be helpful for you. Okay, in Java, class represents the object. Okay, it means that in Java everything is a object. Am I right? For
Yeah.
example, if it consider a person class, what the person consists of? It consists
Height,
of
height,
height, yes, then
color,
weight,
weight.
complexity,
Yeah.
okay, name. These
Yeah.
are the properties for the person. Am I right?
Yes.
In Java, person is represented by a class. Okay, person is
Yeah.
represented by the class. Okay,
Yeah.
this is how we rewrite the class. The syntax to represent the class is first is
Class name.
class name.
Class.
Okay, followed by parentheses. Okay, this is the syntax for the class. Okay, what does class consist of?
Class consists of public static void main methods.
Okay, one thing is, yes, you are right, public static void main. Apart from that, class consists of
Variables,
variables. Okay,
instant global variables and local variables. I
we
mean,
can sometimes like data variables, and that comes under types of variables and data
yes.
types. Okay,
Yes.
apart from that, what does it consist of? It consists of
Sim-
methods.
yes. Methods.
Okay, these are the things that class consists of. Now, first topic is variable. Okay, what is a variable?
Variable in the sense like where we initialize some values, something
Yeah.
like I equal to 10.
Yes, variable represents the temporary memory location. Okay,
Yes.
temporary memory location. For example, how to declare a variable? Okay, how to declare a variable? Can you help me?
Yeah, I mean like
Int.
int I equal to or
Okay,
int x equal to 10 or I equal
take
to 10.
10. Okay, fine. Okay, then what happens internally in the memory? There will a memory location will be created. Okay, some memory location will be created. Okay, the memory location will be like memory location will be created in particular address, and the value 10 is placed over there. Okay, and
Yeah.
this 10 is assigned to I. Okay,
Yeah.
so this I indirectly represents the temporary memory location. Am I right?
Yeah.
This is a variable. Okay, we have different types of variables. Okay,
Yeah.
types of variables. Okay,
Static and non-static
yes, static variables.
and non-static variables.
You can think as a local variables. Okay,
Okay.
okay, local variables. Okay, now fine. These are the different types of variables. Okay, now let's go to the data types. Okay, let's see an example. We're using both the things. Okay, next second topic is data types. Data types. Okay, types. Okay, what is data type?
Yeah, data type in the sense like something like int, float, byte, string.
Yes, data type represents the type of data
Yeah.
that should be stored in variable.
Yeah.
Yes, okay, this is data type. Okay, you know BSNL, right? BSNL.
Yes.
Do you know
Yes.
BSNL?
Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited.
Yes, we have BSIL data types.
Okay.
What is this B represents? B represents byte,
Yeah.
S represents
String.
short,
Short. Okay.
represents int,
Okay.
L represents
Long.
long. These
Yeah.
are the integer data types. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, integer data types. Okay,
Yeah.
integer data types. Okay, these integer data types will hold only integer type of data.
Yeah.
Okay, even though we have it holds the integer type of data, why we need this many data types? We have byte, short, int, and long. What is why we need this many types of data types?
I think it depends on the size of the.
Yes, yes, exactly. Because of because of size of the data, we have many integer data types. Okay.
Yeah.
So usually byte is mainly considered.
Yeah.
Byte will store the values
1
from 127 to
minus 127.
okay, something like okay.
128. Okay.
Okay. And what about short? It represents 32, 6, 27 to 32, 6 to 8. Okay. Something negative.
Okay.
Okay. And int will be like 2 power 16, 2 power 8. Okay. 2 power 8. Okay. And long is 2 power 16. Okay. 2 minus 2 power 16. Okay.
Yeah.
This is how they store the values. Okay. These are the integer data types. So combining variable with data type. Okay.
Yeah.
When you try to combine the variable with the data type, we have something like int. Okay.
Yeah.
Int a is a variable. Okay. Equal to 12. Okay.
Yeah.
This is the how we represent that. So let's see it in a programmatical way. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm creating a new project. Do you have any idea on Eclipse?
Yeah, I have, but not full on Eclipse.
Okay. The first time is when you create it. See, the thing is like whenever you want to create a standalone application, file, click on file, new, and go to, see, you can see the Java project here. Okay.
Yes.
If you are not able to see other, you click on other and type
Okay.
Java. See, you can see Java project here. Am I right?
Yeah.
Select this, click on next. Okay. And you
Okay.
need to give the project name. I am giving
Okay.
my project name as 01 data type. Okay.
Yeah.
And no need to modify anything. Click on next. Okay. Just select this. Even though if you don't select that, no problem. Click on finish. Okay. Click on yes now. Okay. See, our project is created 01 data type. Okay. I'm going to click on source, and whatever the Java files do you want to write, you will write in the source folder. Okay. Right click, new. See new. You can see class here. Am I right?
Yes.
If you are not able to see the class, click on other. Okay. If you are
Add
not able
class.
to class, that's it. Click on class, select class, click on next, and we are here we are giving something like name. Okay. Data type demo. Okay.
Yeah.
And just not
Main
just
public.
no need of main menu. Okay. You uncheck this, click on finish because you need to practice. Now our class doesn't have anything. All right. This is just a class. Okay. Now if I want to type main, do I need to type public static void main of string args? No. In real time, we won't do such kind of stuff. Am I right?
Yes.
Our hand should be easy. Okay.
Yeah.
So just type main, main. Okay.
Okay.
And press control space.
Okay.
See, you got something here, main method, and it is represented public.
No, at that point of view, I need to type control space.
You see, main. Where is my control? It is at the behind n. Am I right?
Yeah. Yes.
Now control space you press.
Okay. So I need to check on main method now. I need to go here and I need to do it like this.
Yes, directly click on this one now. Okay.
Okay.
It came, am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, main method. For the first program, sysout. See, you type system.out.println, am I right?
Yeah. I'll type.
But don't need to type system.out.println. Type sysout. Okay.
Okay.
Then what to do? Control space. See,
Okay. Sysout. Okay.
control space.
Okay.
Now I want to write something here. What I want to do, I just want to display some message for the instance. Okay. Hello, I'm saying hello. How are you?
Yeah.
How are you? Okay, this is what I need to say. And what we do is control S is for save. Am I right? Save. Usually,
Yeah.
if you want to run the project, how you will run? Run, and you press this one. Am I right?
Yeah.
Run. So you get some hello about you. Okay.
Yeah.
And instead of doing like this, if you want to run the program, simply you need to remember a shortcut. What is the shortcut? You go here. What?
Control F1. F11.
Yes, Control F11. Control F11. Oh, sorry. For me, it is a functional key. That's it. See, hello, how are you? We got this, right? This is how we write a program. Okay. Now I want to represent a data type. For example, I have int,
Int I equal to 10.
int I equal to
10.
10.
12. Okay.
Okay, 10. Okay.
So I need to print variable there. I instead of
If
have
yes, if I want to print that value, directly you can
I
put this out and you can put I and you can control F11.
yes.
Hello, you got the value. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is how. So this is a variable. Okay. Now let's see the different types of variables. Okay. First,
Yeah.
short, BSIL, byte. Okay. No need to type byte all those things. If you have capability to type, you can. If you remember, you can type. Otherwise, BIT control space.
Okay.
See, byte. Okay. Byte space B equal to 128. I'm taking. Okay. But you see here, it is showing an error here.
Yeah.
Cannot convert from int to byte. It means that it is not able to store 128 value.
Yeah.
It means that its capability is only 127.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
So now it is no error. Am I right?
Otherwise, I think it will throw an error.
Yes, yes, yes. It throw an error. Okay.
Something like arithmetic error or like which
It is
error?
it is not an arithmetic error. Let me show you. 1 second. B and it will be 128. It program itself is not compiles. Okay.
Oh, okay then. Okay.
I'll press Control F11. See, error existing in the required project. Even though if you proceed, see, what is the error?
Yeah. Yeah.
Java.lang.error, unresolved
Yeah.
compilation error.
Okay.
So put 127. Okay.
Yeah. I mean, in C language, I think we have unsigned and signed, right? I think
Ye-
basic
yes.
concept in C.
Yes. Yes. By data type. Okay. Now short. What is short capacity? Short space S equal to 32,767. It can hold.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah.
If I give more than this, it starts. See, you can see the error symbol here. Am I right?
Yes.
Based on this in your project, whether there is error or not, we can find like this. Okay.
Okay.
See, even though if there exists an error here, you can see error in the source level folder also.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Am I right? Okay.
Yeah.
Now type mismatch cannot convert, so it should be this much. Okay. Okay. This is the value. Okay. Sys out. Control space. Okay. And short data type. Okay.
Okay.
See, I'm appending plus here. What do you mean by this plus?
Plus in the sense concatenation.
Yes, I'm concatenating yes value to that. Okay.
Yes. I mean, like we'll get output as short data type space.
So plus
I mean,
32,767 will get.
plus.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Now the most important thing is int I equal to some value. Okay. Even it doesn't take this much value. Okay. This is, I mean, like it is holding something. Okay. Sys out. Okay. Int data type. Int.
Sir, you're doing control space and then enter, right?
No. Yes. See, when I save control.
Control space and enter.
See, when I space control space, it is coming automatically. I'm not pressing enter.
Okay, directly control space.
Yes. For the main method, see when I type main, it is coming showing main method, but nothing is coming. At this point of time, you need to select. It is giving you option whether you want to select this or not.
Okay.
Then you need to select.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Int data type and it will be plus I. Now, one of the most important data type that we use in the project is long. Long L equal to some values. Okay,
Uh,
this is one of the most important data type that we use in the real time. I mean, like we instead of going for the int, we go for long most of the time. Okay,
yeah.
because for the banking applications and other things, very precision, even precision matters.
Okay.
Long data type. Okay,
Yeah.
and click on save or press Ctrl S. Okay, go
Okay.
to run. Okay, and click on run. Okay, we got different values. See, byte data type is 127, short data type is 32,767, int and long data type values it is retaining. So
Yeah.
these are the integer data types. Okay,
Yeah.
now the question comes: are these variables or local variables or global variables?
Local variables.
What is the difference between local variables and global variables?
Yeah, local variables where we write inside the main method, and global variables where we write outside the main method.
Are there global variables in Java? First question.
Which one, sir?
Global variables.
Yeah, global variables are like something like we call it as instance variables.
Okay. Now let's see the types of variables. Okay.
Yeah.
Types of variables. Okay. There are first one is local variables. Okay. Instance variables. Third one is static variables.
Yeah.
Okay. Local variables. Okay. Local variables. Okay. Local variables are the variables
Which are defined inside the main method.
which are declared
Inside the main method.
inside the main method or method,
Okay.
any method, not only main method, any method. Okay. Now, instance variables. Instance,
Are declared outside the main method and within the class
yes.
where you can create object
Variables are declared in the class,
and
but
outside but
not
out
in the methods.
yeah
Okay.
yeah
Not in the methods. These are called instance variables. You should
yeah
use the terminology global variables because global variables, the terminology is ended in C++ itself.
okay
Okay, because you know these methods, am I right? We call it in Java methods, and in C we call it as functions.
yeah
Okay, so that is ended in the OOPS concepts itself, C++ itself. Here we need to call the terminology is different. Okay, now static variables. Okay, static variables are the variables that are declared with the keyword
static
static. Okay, these are the static variables. Now IIQ, what does in IIQ means? Interview questions. Okay,
yeah
what is the difference between local variables? Sorry, it will look okay. Local variables, comma instance variables, and static variables. This is the interview question. Okay,
yeah
see, let's see it as a let me save this. Okay, for example, first let me declare some instance variables. Okay, this is data type. I'm right. I declare like private. Okay,
yeah
string. Okay, we forget about this private and other things. Name. Okay, instead of this, what I do, I will write another class. Okay, class new class. Okay, I'm writing it representing a person. Okay, person.
yeah
Okay, what does person consist of?
I mean height width
height.
Complexity, color.
Okay. Private string color. Okay. Private string name. Okay. Let's replace these things. Okay. Let me represent this as public, for instance. Okay. Otherwise, you will get confused. Public, name, height, color. These are the properties of a person. Okay. These variables are called as instance variables.
Okay.
Instance is nothing but an object. These variables are related to which one? Person. Am I right?
Yes.
Person is a class. Okay.
Yeah.
These variables are related to the person class. It means that these are called instance variables.
Okay.
Okay. If suppose if I represent public static, see I represent static. Okay. Country. Let it be a country equal to India. Sorry. Public static string country equal to India. Okay.
Yeah.
So whenever it comes with a static, it is called as class variables or static variables. Okay. Let me comment this part. If you want to comment something in the Java class, if it is single line comment, double slash. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Static variable or class variables. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now these variables are instance variables.
Yeah.
Instance variables because these variables are represented by person class. Okay. Why these are called instance variables in this sense? When I go to data type demo, I'm going to write another class, a new class person. It is like main method, main class. Okay. With public static void main string args. Otherwise, click on finish. Just type what? Help me to write the main method.
Yeah. Main.
Main control space. Yes, select the main method. Okay. Now if I want to create an object for person, how I'm going to create?
I mean class name
Yes.
variable equal to new class
Yes.
and
Okay.
pass that reference variable so you can access.
Yes. But in real time, there will be hundreds of classes. How you will know the particular class?
No idea, sir.
No. So you remember the first letter of the class. Am I right? I mean, like, what is the
Yes.
first letter of the class?
Person main. I mean
Person.
like not person, only person.
PER. You take consider PER. Okay. Person. First letter is P. Okay.
Yeah.
Press control space. You will get many things. Am I right?
Yes.
You got person here. Am I right?
Yeah.
Select this one. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm referring references P equal to new control space. Okay. New space. See control space again.
New space again control space.
Yes. Okay. Again, I will help you. There will be hundreds of classes. P, E, or type P and press control space. You will get the class name. Select the class and give the reference name. Okay. I mean, like space, reference name equal to type new space and
Control space.
control space. You got, see, many things.
Yeah.
Person. Okay. This is how we create object. What happens when we create an object? Whenever I say new, okay, whenever I create an object for the class using new operator, then the memory is allocated to all the instance variables, okay, and default value is assigned to them.
Okay.
Assigned to them. Okay.
Yeah.
It means that whenever I create an object for this, for example, now I am going to do one thing. Sys out control space. P dot, see, I get color. Okay, control S. Okay, I'm running this program. Run. What is the value? Null is assigned to the
Yes,
color.
by default it's null value.
Null
By
value.
default value.
Similarly, P dot height. Height will be what? Default value 0.
Yeah.
Into default value is 0. Okay. So whenever I say new, whenever I create an object, then memory is allocated to the instance variables and what default value is assigned to them.
Okay.
So these variables are called as instance variables because we cannot access these variables without object. Am I right?
Yes.
Can I access color and height without this person object?
No.
No. Without person object, we can't access. So these variables. So this P is called as what? Instance. Am I right? This P is an instance of person. This P is an object.
Yes.
Yes. We cannot access the attributes of person class without an instance. Am I right?
Yes.
So hence it is called as instance variables. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We cannot access the instance variables without the instance of class.
Okay.
So they are called as instance variables. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Now you got some idea about instance variables. Now let's go and talk about static variables. Okay. Now static variables are the variables which are declared with the keyword static. Okay. Fine.
Yeah.
Static. For static variables, memory is allocated before an object is created.
Yeah.
Okay. Static variables can be accessed, okay, with the class name. Okay. It means that, see, I'm wiping out all this code. I'm just saying sysout control space. What is our class name? Person. Person, okay, dot. See, I'm able to access the country. Am I right?
Yeah.
It means that earlier for the instance variables, without creating object, we are not able to access those values. Am I right?
Yeah.
But here for the static variables, without creating object, you are able to access with the class name. It means that the instance variables requires memory, but the static variables requires memory or not? Yes, it requires memory, but this memory is allocated before you create an object.
Yeah.
Okay. When I run this project, see India, you got the value. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. Static variable can be accessed with the class name. So did you understand the difference between static variables and instance variables?
Yes, sir.
Can you say?
For instance variables, we are accessing with the help of the reference.
Yes.
I mean, like something like p1 dot whatever we give there. Here
Yes.
we are accessing through class name dot whatever we want to access.
Okay. This is how we access. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. So for the instance variable, memory is allocated.
Yeah. For instance variables, I mean, like when the new object is created,
Okay.
I mean, like memory is allocated to all instance variables.
Then only we are able to access.
Yeah. For this one, it's already being allocated before itself for static
Yes.
variables.
Yes. 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 This is what you need to explain to the interviewer. Okay. Next thing is local variables. Okay.
Yeah.
For the local variables, the memory is allocated whenever, okay, you access the method. Okay. It means that, see, in my person class, For example, have public void, okay, get person details. Okay, this is the method I have. Okay, I am writing this out. Okay, I am typing simply string address. Okay, equal to Hyderabad. Okay, Hyderabad. Oh, Hyderabad. I'm putting Hyderabad. Okay, and here I'm writing the address. Okay, add address. Okay, fine. In person main, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create instance. Instance is nothing but object. Person space p equal to new person. Okay, and I say that when I want to access the method, how can I access p dot? See, you get a lot of things. See, get person details. If there are many methods, you just type get. Okay,
Yeah.
get person details. Okay, when I run this program, run this program. See, I got Hyderabad. When I run this program, what it will do? It will call. See, click on control. Okay.
Yeah.
See, go to that method. It is showing hyperlink. Am I right?
Yeah.
Click on that. It came here. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. Get person details. So for this address, the memory is allocated whenever you call the
What
method.
is get person details? That method we can declare anything.
It just, you can declare anything, whatever you want you can declare. Okay, it is just displaying the address. So here you can see a variable, am I right? Address variable.
Yeah.
For this address variable, the memory is allocated whenever you call
Yeah.
this method. Okay, okay. And next thing is the variables declared inside the method can be accessed only within the method.
Yeah.
Okay, it means that this address variable is accessible only within this method.
Yeah.
It means that we can't access this address variable here, somewhere else on the top of the method. Okay,
Yes.
we cannot access the local variable outside the method. Okay, another thing is we can access the instance variables. Okay, see, instance variable, we can access the instance variable. If I want to access the height, simply I say that sys out height. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, even if you want to access the static variable, you can access. Okay, we can
Yeah.
access instance variables and static variables inside the method. Okay, but we cannot access the local variables outside the method. Did you got the difference?
Yeah.
Okay, this is one of the important interview question. Okay, so this is about the variables. Okay, because we have three types of.
Go back to the program once.
Sure.
I mean, like here the variables here, what we instance variables are non-static, right?
Yes.
So I mean, like you have to write an object for that, and you can only access.
Yes.
So we are doing the same way. I mean, like we'll create an object in person main, right?
Yes.
Okay then. Okay.
You got this details, right?
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. I got it now.
Earlier, what we did is directly we are able to. I mean, like now, I want to access this method. I want to display all the data. How I can do is, see, I say sys out space. I want to show name. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Name. Again, I say sys out color. Now, what I do is I will assign some values to this. Height is 6. Okay.
Yeah.
And color is like white, something like complexity is white, and name is ABC. Okay,
Okay.
now control S, I mean save, go to person main. Simply see what I am going to do is I created, I will create an object for person first. Person, control space, select the person, space p equal to new, control space, select the person, okay, and you say p dot get person details, okay, control space, and go see, you can click arrow marks, okay,
Yeah.
top down, you get percentage, select that and click enter, okay, control s and go to the run and you run the program. Now see, you can see all the values, 6 India ABC Y, am I right?
All values. Yes.
Yes. So we can access the method using the instance, okay, we can access the variables using the instance, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, did you got this thing?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, this is about the variables, okay.
Yeah.
Now we go in the about we discuss about methods, okay, methods. After methods I'm going to we will talk more about the data types, okay.
Yeah.
Methods, how many types of methods are there? We have instance methods,
Yeah.
okay, and static methods, okay. These are two different types of method, okay. Let's see it in programming wise. Instance methods, okay.
Yeah.
Instance methods are the methods that are declared in the class.
Okay.
Methods are the methods that are in the class without static keyword,
Yeah.
okay. These are the instance method. Static methods,
Yeah.
static methods are the methods which are defined using keyword static, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. First let's see the how we declare a method syntax, okay.
Yeah.
For example, in Java we declare a method with using ACCE access specifier
Yeah.
first, okay, then return type, okay,
Yeah.
return type, okay, then name of the method, okay, okay, braces, and these are parameters, optional, okay, optional, okay, parameters which are optional, okay, and click on this, click on enter and select this, okay,
Yeah.
and you see access specifier is like, it can be like public, private and protected, as well as default is nothing, okay. These are the access specifier. Return type can be int, float, long, double, and collections. And return types can be very, am I right? It can be many things. Apart from this, we have void. When we use the void, you no need to have return statement. I'll say what is this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. Let's see the
Sir,
program.
which access we specified as highest priority? So how to use that? I don't know.
No, I will discuss this access specifier later. Okay. First, let's see the basic. Okay. Then we will discuss more about the access specifier. It is one of the important concepts in inheritance also. Okay. One thing is, now we have something like new. Like for the same person class we'll go. We have, see, whenever I say that, what is the first thing if you want to create a method? We need access specifier. Am I right?
Yes.
I'll take it as public. Take it as public by default. If I want to display height, what is the height? It is an integer variable. Am I right?
Yes.
I am saying int as my return type. Okay. Get height. Okay. I'm writing some method. Okay. And I don't not passing any parameters. This is a method syntax. See, it is showing an error because whenever you put an int, it is mandatory to have a return statement. Return statement. You click on this error. See, you can see a help, assistance, add return statement.
Yeah.
See, return height. Okay, return height in the sense what it is representing. You control, select this one.
Okay.
Oh, this one it is showing. Am I right?
Yes.
That is so. If you don't want to show that, you can put like 12. I mean, like 12 is an integer. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So return 12. This is how we declare a method. If you don't want to have this return statement, okay, then simply what you do is you declare a void method. See, public void. When you have a void statement, then you no need to have any return.
Okay.
Okay. Is this clear?
Yes.
If you have float,
Return statement.
is mandatory.
Yes.
If you have
Except
double,
void. Except void will write return statement.
yes, except
void.
void, we have return statement for all the things. Okay.
Yeah.
This is
Yeah.
how we declare a method. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. In the instance methods, whatever the methods that we declared here in the class are the instance method, because these instance methods are able to access only using objects.
Yeah.
Am I right? Instance methods. What about instance variables? Instance methods are able to access only using instance of class. Am I right? Similarly, as instance variables. Instance variables are only accessible using instance of class. It means that whenever you create an object, then only you will be able to access the instance method. Okay.
Okay.
Similarly, whenever you are able to create an object, then only you are able to access the instance variable. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, static methods. If I put static here,
Yeah. I mean, like you can't access the object once there.
okay, let me say, I'll say public static void get country. Okay. I simply say sys out. I mean, like, what I say is in the country I'm mentioning. Okay. Country. Okay. This is the static method. Okay.
Yes.
Static methods can be accessed directly with the class name. Okay.
Yes.
Earlier we are able to access the static variables with the class name. Am I right?
Yeah.
Why we are able to access the static variables with the only class name without creating instance? In the sense, for the static variables, memory is allocated before creating object.
Yes.
So that object is available, that variable is available. So we are able to access. Am I right?
Yes.
For the static methods also, the variable memory is allocated before the instance method. Okay. So we are able to access the static methods directly with the class name without creating an object. Okay.
Yeah.
If I want to access this static method get country, what I do is in person main, I simply say person dot see get country. Okay.
Yeah.
Control S, go to run, click on run. See India I got. Okay.
Yeah.
But here you see in the static method doesn't take instance variables. Static method won't accept the instance variables. For example, what is
Yeah.
instance variable? Height.
Yes.
Am I able to access the height here?
No.
No. Why? Because
It is a static method.
it is a static method. Static method will have only,
Static variables.
yes, static method will accept only static variables and
And non-static
local variables.
and local variables.
Okay, this is the static var method. Okay,
Yeah.
static methods are accessible directly with the class name. Okay, instance methods are able to access both. Am I right?
Yeah, both non-static and static.
Yes, instance methods can access static variables, local variables, and instance variables. Okay,
Yeah.
this is the difference between static method and instance method. Which is having high priority?
Local.
No, static methods are having high priority because those are executed first.
Okay.
Okay, static methods execute first.
Okay.
Okay, you see in person main, why this main class executes first? Even though it may have many methods, why with main class method executes first? Because it is a static method.
Okay.
So static method execute first. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. We have some other thing called as static block.
Okay.
Okay. Static block is a block which executes prior to the static method. Okay. It means how we represent static block. Simply we write, see, you see, I'm writing static. This is a static block. You got, am I right?
Yeah.
I write sys out here. Okay.
Okay.
I am static block. I am static block. Okay.
Okay.
In main method, see what I am going to do is sys out. I am static method. Let's see which one executes first. Okay. I am running the program. Save and run the program. See which one executed first.
Static block.
Then,
Static.
then followed by static method. Then followed by instance method or static method. Okay. If we suppose I call the instance method like get control space. We have country. Okay. That's it. Only one country. Okay, we have, I mean, like if you want, okay, then 1 second, person, I am creating person object, p equal to new person, okay, and then p dot, see, get person details, okay, control S, go to click on run and run, okay. First, what is accessing highest priority is for static block, and next priority is for static method, okay.
Yes.
Then next priority is for instance method.
Yes.
Did you understood the flow? Whenever there exists a static block, first static block gets executed. If there is no static block, then first it will check for the static method. Then static method gets executed. Then if there are any instance methods that are called, then instance method gets executed. This is the flow of execution. Okay.
Yes.
This is also important in interview questions. Okay. Okay. First, static block gets executed.
Okay.
Second, static method. Third, instance method. Method, if we call the method, I mean, like without calling it won't. Am I right?
Yeah.
This is the flow. Did you understood the flow?
Yes.
Okay, okay, fine. This today we discussed about variables, types of variables like instance variables, static variables, and local variables. And we discussed about methods and syntax of the methods and types of methods like instance methods, static methods, okay,
Yeah.
and difference between instance methods and static methods. Similarly, difference between instance variable, static variable, and local variables. Okay, you
Yeah.
just learn this theory. Okay, I mean, like you just learn this theory because I mean, like I'm going to send this document to you. One second. Okay, class one, class one. Okay, and I'm going to send this document to you. Study this document. It will be helpful for your interview. Okay, I'm sending this to you. Okay, and today now for the time, I mean, like let's close the class. Okay,
Okay.
fine. And I even have my recordings also with me. And let's close the class. Okay.